In this video, we will unbox this cutting edge camera. This is a user guide. This is the Allen key. This is waterproof jacket. This is 8 megapixel camera having light and inbuilt mic. It have alarm output also. Hi, I am Rajnikant from Yendra Techno Solution. If you are looking for a powerful and intelligent security camera for your home or business, built-in IR supplement light up to 40 meter in night vision. It is IP67 water and dust resistant, and also this is powered by DarkFighter Technology, which gives clear image at night time also. Along with it have 122 dB WDR, and this camera also have audio in and out. We can able to integrate with Siren or Hooter. For any home, commercial CCTV security system, please contact Yendra Techno Solution. Please like and subscribe our channel.